Hello and welcome to the new AVAX Sniper Bot 2.0. In this video, I'll walk you through the user interface of the 2.0 generation of AVAX Sniper Bot. Let's start with the key components and their functionalities. Token address. This is where you input the specific token address that you want to snipe. After pasting the token address, the program will automatically check the pool between the pasted token address and the selected PooCoin. It will display comprehensive data about the pool, including live information on price percentage changes, volumes, and the number of buy and sell transactions. You can also access additional information about the token, such as transfer tax, maximum buy limit, and maximum sell limit, buy tax, sell tax, if trading is enabled and if it is a honeypot or not. This data helps you understand the token's specific characteristics and potential implications for your sniping strategy. Here, in the center of the interface, you can find essential details about the Snipe coin itself. This includes its current price, the amount of the coin in the pool, and the total value of the pool in dollars. At the bottom of the interface, you'll see a table that displays information about your wallets. The first column represents your wallet addresses. The second column indicates the amount of the PooCoin, the coin used for sniping, in each wallet. The third column shows the corresponding value in dollars. The fourth and fifth columns provide data related to the Snipe coin, the amounts and values in your wallets. Clicking on the Exchange button, you can easily transfer funds between wallets directly from the bot. PooCoin to trade. This field indicates the amount of the PooCoin you need to use for the swap. The specific PooCoin is determined by the selection made on the right side of the field. For example, if BNB is selected, you'll need to use BNB for the transaction. Similarly, if BUSD is selected, you'll need to use BUSD, and so on. GUI to trade. This field represents the gas price, in GUI, that your transaction will use on the blockchain. You have the option to set it automatically by clicking on the Auto GUI checkbox. This feature is particularly useful when the gas price is fluctuating, as it allows you to avoid getting stuck with a transaction due to low gas price. Tip GUI. The tip GUI field is specific to EIP 1559 transactions, such as Ethereum transactions. This value is used only if the blockchain supports EIP 1559. The tip GUI is the additional fee sent directly to miners. Typically, on the Ethereum chain, it is set at 0.3, but you have the flexibility to customize it according to your preferences. Buy and sell slippage. These fields represent the acceptable slippage percentage for buy and sell transactions. You can fully customize these values from 0 to 100, where 100 indicates unlimited slippage. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected and executed prices during a transaction, and setting an acceptable range helps manage price fluctuations. Max buy and sell tax. You can set the maximum percentage of tax that you're willing to accept. This feature is particularly useful when you're unsure about the taxes that will be applied during a token launch or swap. By setting a maximum tax limit, the program will continuously loop until the maximum tax is lower than the specified value. Enable wallet. This drop-down field allows you to choose the number of wallets you want to use for the transaction. Selecting 1 means the trades will occur using only wallet 1. Selecting 2 means the trades will move from wallet 1 to wallet 2, and so on. This feature provides flexibility in managing transactions across multiple wallets. GUI to approve. This field represents the gas price, in GUI, that will be used for the approved transaction. On the right side of the field, there's a drop-down menu where you can choose whether to approve the token before the snipe, after the snipe, or not approve it at all. There's also a Force Approve button available, which can be clicked to initiate an approved transaction for all selected wallets at any time. Pink sale address. This field is specifically for setting up the pink sale pre-sale address of the token you want to snipe in mempool. It is useful only on mempool snipe. Pay attention that you need to set both the pre-sale address and the token address in their respective fields. Token amount to buy. This field allows you to specify the amount of tokens you want to buy. Keep in mind that it works well when there is no significant price fluctuation. If there is high fluctuation, you may end up with fewer tokens than the amount set in this field. Limit by order. By setting a value in this field, you can make a buy transaction only if the price of the snipe coin is less than the specified amount. Limit sell order. This field enables you to make a sell transaction only if the price of the snipe token is higher than the specified amount. If you check this option and start the bot, it will first make a buy transaction and then initiate the limit sell order. Percent amount to sell. Here, you can customize the percentage of tokens you want to sell, ranging from 10% to 100%. Sell only checkbox. By checking this checkbox, the bot will exclusively perform sell transactions and not engage in any buy transactions. This is particularly useful when used in conjunction with the limit sell order. Loop limit checkbox. This checkbox becomes available when both limit buy order and limit sell order are checked. Enabling this option initiates a loop where the bot starts with a limit buy order, followed by a limit sell order upon completion, and then repeats the process continuously until you stop the bot. Take profit field. In this field, you can set the percentage of gain that you wish to realize. Once the specified percentage is reached, the bot will automatically sell the tokens. Stop loss field. This field is only available when the take profit field is checked. It enables the bot to sell if the percentage specified falls below 0, acting as a stop loss measure. Wait X seconds on buy fields. This feature allows you to introduce a delay in seconds before sending the buy transaction. It can be useful in situations where timing is critical. Min pool amount field. By setting a value in this field, you can ensure that transactions are made only if the pool amount of the PooCoin is higher than the specified value. By this percent of supply. Here, you can set the percentage of the token supply that you intend to attempt to buy. Retry if buy transaction fails. Enabling this option allows for retrying buy transactions if they fail initially. RPC field. You have the ability to choose the RPC endpoint where you want to connect. GUI update speed. This setting determines the speed at which data is updated in the user interface. It's important to note that the actual speed can be influenced by the node's performance, as public nodes tend to be slower. Check latency button. Clicking on this button allows you to check the latency between the bot and the selected node in milliseconds. A lower latency value indicates better performance. Mempool snipe checkbox. This option is available only for private nodes, as public nodes are often slower and may not allow reading mempool data. By checking this box, you can insert a method in the mempool method field to trigger in the mempool. More information about mempool sniping can be found in the guide. TTSA, try to save your ass. This function works exclusively in mempool mode. It scans for the method specified in the respective field and attempts to front-run any malicious transactions, providing you with an opportunity to avoid rug pulls or liquidity removals. Force buy button. Clicking this button immediately performs a transaction using the values specified in the GUI. It buys the specified amount of tokens using the designated GUI and gas. Force sell button. There are 4 options available: 100%, 50%, 25%, and 10%. Each button represents the percentage of tokens you want to force sell. Max gas field. Here, you can set the maximum gas to be used in the transaction. Clear log button. Clicking this button deletes all messages in the bot's terminal, clearing the log. Low, average, high. These values represent the current gas prices on the selected chain. Current block. This displays the current block of the selected chain. DEX dropdown. Here, you can select the decentralized exchange, DEX, you want to work with. The right panel of the bot interface contains 3 tabs. Token Functions tab. By clicking the Security Check button, the bot performs a check of the current Snipe coin, returning the results of a list of tests. A green shield indicates a past check and a secure token, while a gray shield means that the bot couldn't check that particular function. Red shields indicate that the function was found in the token, which may be a cause for concern. Signatures tab. Clicking the Find Sign button allows the bot to scan for any signatures of the Snipe coin. This is useful for checking for unusual functions in the token's smart contract. The tab displays a list of methods and function names, which can be copied and pasted into the mempool field if needed. You have also a file where you can check these functions like total supply, owner address, and so on. Just copy them from the list and paste them on the field separated by commas. Clicking on Check Sign, the result will be displayed on the bot. Telegram Scrape tab. This tab allows you to configure the requirements for checking a token address in any Telegram group. Detailed instructions on the configuration can be found in the guide. Remember to refer to the guide for more comprehensive instructions on using the bot and configuring its various features.